What is up, YouTube? This is day 4 out of day 30. Let's get to it. So Apple right now is $155.31 per share. Today it went up not even 1%, it went up 0.96%. It is it is up in a day $1.47. Um as always, we are going to look at the daily chart and then we're gonna break it down into the hourly chart. So let's do that. We're gonna start off first with no drawings. We're gonna hide the drawings. Next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna zoom in, and we are going to look at the EMAs. So these are the EMAs, the colorful lines. Um, so let's read it. Let's see. So the red line is the 100 EMA. As you can see, the candle reached the 100 EMA, but quickly rejected it, went all the way down to 153 and bounced right back up into the 155 range, and it stayed like that for the rest of the day. I was live today. It was pretty choppy, in my honest opinion. Choppy means when it just goes side to side. It doesn't go in a pattern. It doesn't go up or down. It just stays side to side. And for us traders, it is type boring because we want to make some money, and in order for us to make money, we would like the stocks to go up or down. Um, so look at the 100 EMA. It is on the 100 EMA. It rejected it, and now is a neutral sign. The 5 EMA. So right now the candle itself is below all these EMAs, which is a bearish sign because it's not supposed to. For bullish, it's supposed to be like above them, or at least above a couple of the EMAs, but it's below all of them. So we could see quite rejection tomorrow. This is the alert I put up because I did do a trade today on it. I still am in a trade right now. Let me see. So yeah, all the EMAs are currently above the candle, which is a bearish sign. But let's add the drawings. Let's find out. All right, so let's get rid of that. So right now, so the white line is support, and the yellow lines right here, there are like I drew these out myself. They're not support or resistance. They're just what's it called? Consolidating lines. So basically, when a stock goes sideways, as I said earlier, um, it just goes up or down. Like it doesn't really move that much. And as you guys can clearly see, it has stayed within these yellow lines, which is right now it is a neutral sign. We could see that right now it has held the support of 152, 153 range. As you guys can see, it touched this and it bounced right back up to 155. We haven't seen any right now negative signs except the EMAs. That's the only thing we've seen. Um, I feel like the market's right now taking in the yesterday's hit because yesterday was it was like the big one. Let me show you guys. So as you guys can clearly see, this big red candle, um, it's like the biggest candle out of all these other candles, and the reason why is because CPI came out and they said that the inflation was really high. So let's add it back though. So looking at it, it is right now a neutral sign. I'm still leaning a little bit bullish just for the fact that it has held the support and it bounced off the support really quick. Um, let's look at it in the hourly time frame. Let's break it down a little bit. So we're going to hide the drawings. Okay, so let me zoom out just a little bit. So right now, the candles are this candle is right now below the 100 EMA, which is the red line, which is a bearish sign, which is a negative sign. We have seen a couple crosses right here between the 20 and the 50 EMA, and as you guys can clearly see, the stock went down. You could have entered right here from 156 and could have wrote it down to 153. That would have been a nice entry. You could have made some money on that. Let's look at the trend line. Let's see. Yeah, you guys could have made some money right here. So if you would have just followed this trend line, that you know, you would have drew a trend line, and you would have saw that the trend is your friend. You would have saw that the stock was declining. You could have made some money on it. But yeah, as you guys can clearly see, I added the drawings now, but let me get rid of the drawings for now. We'll still look at the EMAs. So let me see. So right now, the candle is on the 5 and the 10 EMA, which short term is bullish, short term. We can see right now all the EMAs are coming in together. So like, for example, let me back it up just a bit. So you see how here, like the EMAs are like spread out, like they're not that close together. Like for example, the 20 and the 50. Well, if you zoom in here, the 20 and the 50 are getting closer, and when stuff like this gets closer, a cross is about to occur. So a cross is basically where EMAs cross over, and it kind of mean on the bullish or bearish side. EMA crossed here, as you guys can see, it went down. It went bearish. I feel like there's gonna be another cross that's gonna occur tomorrow, like right around here. That's one thing I forgot to do. Sorry about that, guys. RSI is at 41.87, which is a neutral sign at the moment. Volume today Volume today is 87.965 million. That is average. It's not above or below average. Yesterday was above, really above. Hourly chart, it is the RSI is 44.51. I'm still bullish for tomorrow. Now let's add this drawing. Let's see. So, as you guys can clearly see, what's today? Today is the 14th. 14th. So today it opened at like 155 and went up to 157. Then it went down. It declined. Well, this is not new resistance. The support becomes resistance. It declined it, and it went down to 153, and it was just holding that area. And then at like 2 to 3 o'clock, everybody was like, all right, you know what, I'm gonna get in here, I'm gonna buy some of Aapl stock. And they did buy it. At the very end it was 15. At the last hour it's 15 million. The hour before that, which was around 1:30, it was 8 million. So it basically doubled. That is, to me, it is a bullish sign. I still see the stocks. I still see the EMAs coming in close together, which to me it's a bullish sign. What's it called? Yeah, it is a bullish sign. I'm just like looking at it right now. We could see a little bit of pullback. So let me draw the analogy for you real quick. Time is ticking. So tomorrow, what we could see with Aapl is it's already here in this range. We could see it go here, touch this, come down a little bit, and then bounce back up. Or we could see Aapl itself. We could see it come down, bounce up, and then just chill up here for a little bit. Or the last scenario, which I wouldn't want, but it is a possibility, is where the stock goes here, comes up a little bit, and then goes back down. But it's very unlikely and rare, just for the fact that in the longer term, this is a heavy support right here. This whole section right here. I mean, it could come down to 150, but my bet is it's most likely going to come up to like 160. It might fill up that gap. There's a gap around. Oh no, I already filled the gap. That's crazy. So there's no gap right now. The only gap probably is to the downside. I didn't anticipate that. I didn't even see that. But right now there's no gaps at the moment to be filled. All we can wait is for tomorrow and see how everything plays out. I hope you guys enjoy it. These are the 3 plays that I'm watching for tomorrow. So I could go like this, or like that. These are the plays for tomorrow. I hope you guys enjoy. If you guys have any questions, comments, concerns, please DM me. I'm always free. My DMs are free. And enjoy. Have a good one, guys.